kidding me?
You have two faces. Only now I can see. One side's holding love, the other feeds my fear. Two faces.
Loyalty and betrayal, two faces, I couldn't tell. It's like heaven or hell, your freedom, hard sell. Democrats, Republicans, nothing's really solving it. Two faces on the same coin, we all been involved in it. The lies and deception, been passed down through nations. I can see them changing faces, that's the plan to replace us. Divide and we conquer, ain't nobody standing on honor. You was the closest one to him, now he dead on the corner. It's all in her eyes, the lies she got to live with. I put my eye in a triangle, now I can see clear. The faces, the city of shadows, they catching cases in their body. No flesh wounds, you seen them when they got him. Levitate his ghost, let him float to the dark places. Smoke him out, guaranteed you will see the other faces. Trust is untrustable, I make you uncomfortable. Two faces, the demons in the mirror that you run from.
Two faces. Only now I can see.